Welcome to another episode of Cheap Watch Choices here on Talking Timepieces, where we talk about watch collecting and horology. This is another fashion watches. This box, actually, I've seen it with a couple of other manufacturers, so it must be just a generic Chinese watch box. But this company is called Fanmis, and this watch comes with instructions. It's the men's digital fashion Cobra LED watches silicon iron triangle dial sports wrist watch. And let's see. Nope, it's got at least got a healthy amount of foam. You can do what you want with it. In the last one, the insert was missing, so some companies actually do customize it. So we have a little description of how it works, which you need, because this watch is one of those that has a funky display, wrapped in sturdy plastic. It's interesting, some of these watches that are out there that use interesting design or displays, because when you have a quartz watch, as long as you have an electronic means of showing the time, you can do anything. See, so this one shows the time by lighting up various segments of this dial. See, so kind of setting it and moving things around. But essentially, it's kind of a funky little way to tell time, and it's very reminiscent of a car dashboard. So maybe it's a good watch for people who like cars. Right here, let me put it on the stand so at least it'll be nice and steady for its close-up. So there we go, and tells you the time. Let me read the diagram very quickly while I turn it slowly. Time, date, functions. It tells the month, and all kinds of other interesting pieces of information. And it does really evoke a car dashboard. So not a bad little watch, a funky looking piece. It looks interesting. This watch costs $18. The strap feels it, though. It really is kind of a cheesy rubber. Nothing at all printed on the back. I don't even want to guess what kind of water resistance this watch has. Let's do some quick measurements. At least get some idea of the exact size of this piece. Case diameter is, say 41. Yeah, let's say it's a 41 millimeter lug to lug. It's got these, it's really, the way it's bent, it's kind of tough. So let's go, lug to lug is 46 and change, and effective length is like 57. Let's toss it on the wrist real quick. Wearing my friend's Sin. This is a really nice piece. I used to have one. Actually, I used to have this one. I sold it to him, and he let me borrow it back because I once in a while like to wear it. And that's the nice thing about selling a watch to friends. You can borrow it once in a while and still have fun with it. Great watch. And there's a review on the channel. So let's toss this on the wrist. For the cheesy quality of the strap, it's very thin, so it doesn't feel too onerous. And there we go. It actually does not look bad. Well, there we go. It actually doesn't look bad. It's not a bad looking piece. It has interesting wrist presence, right? It does curve down nicely. It's very conformal to the wrist, I'll give it that. And the display is just interesting. It's just a funky, interesting way to tell the time, show the day, especially in a world where, a watch is really a style and fashion and tech expression. This is a fun watch. And for $18, make a nice novelty gift to your car friend. So, thanks for watching. If you liked the episode, please subscribe. Let your friends know. Like it at least. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it.